Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a beautiful 67 Mustang GT. And this has been pretty much all restored. Ooh, beautiful maroon color. All chrome everything with a black interior. Just absolutely gorgeous. Sounds great, drives great. Well done. The craftsmanship on this is phenomenal. Take a look in here real quick. You can see everything has just been done to the max. All racing stuff. New interior, black leather. Roof liner looks good as well. Let's go ahead and swing around to the driver's side real fast. Show you the door. Just beautiful. All right, let's go ahead, start her up, check her under the hood, take her for a spin, and put her on the lift. Take this down the road real quick. Golly, look how gorgeous she is. All right. Let's see, we got any traffic? No, we good. Very strong, very nice, smooth ride. Yeah. All right, let's go check her out underneath. All right, we got the 67 here on the lift. Let's see how amazing this is underneath. Wow. They did a really, really great job with this. Let's go ahead and spin around the back, get some better light. Just a beautiful job. Very well taken care of. A lot of love put into this car. If you're looking for a racing type GT, with all the nice chrome, beautiful ride, this is the one for you. I personally love the color on it. I think it looks awesome, especially with the black leather. Go ahead, give us a call, shoot us an email if you have any questions, and we'd love to see you drive off the lot in this.